Spotlight is the easiest way to add any business's information to your Google Sheet. After installing Spotlight, open your Add-ons menu, then click Spotlight, then Find Places. A sidebar will open, and you'll see 3 simple steps for adding data to your sheet. First, select the columns you'd like to include. In this example, I'll include the name, website, address, and Google rating. Each field I select will have its own column in my sheet. Next, find your target by searching our database of over 100 million places. Enter a few characters in the search bar and you'll instantly see suggestions pop up. Click a suggestion to select it. Now it's time to add the data to your sheet. Check the box next to Include Headers to insert an extra row with column names, and then click Insert or press Enter. And that's it! Spotlight quickly inserts the information you requested to your sheet, beginning at wherever your active cell is. If you want to add more places, Spotlight remembers your column preferences, so just find another place in Step 2 and press Enter. If you have any questions, click the Help link at the bottom of the sidebar. Enjoy!